In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Chart of Accounts QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through accessing your chart, understanding account types, adding what you need, organizing it for clarity, reviewing for accuracy, tailoring it to your business, and finally verifying your reports to make sure everything lands in the right place. Start by signing into QuickBooks Online. From the homepage, click the gear icon and choose Chart of Accounts. You'll see the list of existing accounts that came with your company setup. QuickBooks provides a default chart based on your business type, and it's a solid starting point, but it's fully customizable so you can make it match how you operate. Before you add or edit anything, get comfortable with the 5 core account types. Assets include things like cash, bank accounts, accounts receivable, and inventory. Liabilities cover accounts payable, loans, and payroll liabilities. Equity includes owner's equity and retained earnings. Income or revenue captures sales, service income, and donations. Expenses include rent, utilities, payroll, and office supplies. There's also other income and other expense for items like interest or miscellaneous activity. Choosing the correct type ensures your profit and loss and balance sheet are accurate and easy to understand. When you're ready to create something new, click New. Select the account type first, then pick a detail type that best describes it more specifically. Give it a clear name, add a description if it helps, and enter an opening balance with an as of date only if you're starting midstream or migrating from another system. If you connect a bank feed, you can often leave the opening balance at 0 and let imported transactions establish it. Save and repeat for the rest of the accounts your business needs. Keep your chart clean by grouping accounts logically. Current assets include cash, bank, and receivables, while fixed assets include equipment, vehicles, and furniture. Current liabilities cover items like accounts payable and payroll liabilities. Use sub-accounts to track detail without cluttering the top level. For example, office supplies with sub-accounts for stationery or cleaning supplies. Next, review what's there. Rename or merge duplicates, confirm the account type and detail type are correct, and delete only accounts with no transactions. If an account has history you no longer use, make it inactive rather than deleting. Merges are permanent, so double check before combining. Customize for your industry and workflow. Add specialized accounts like donations or grants for nonprofits. Use classes or locations to track projects or departments, and separate product sales from service income if that improves reporting. Finally, open reports and review the balance sheet and profit and loss. Confirm each account appears in the